Pizza Kids!
Hello, kids! Let's learn action words from A to Z. A for act. A for act. B for build. B for build. C for climb. C for climb. D for dance. D for dance. E for eat. E for eat. F for fly. F for fly. G for giggle. G for giggle. H for hop. H for hop. I for imagine. I for imagine. J for jump. J for jump. K for kick. K for kick. L for laugh. L for laugh. M for move. M for move. N for nod. N for nod. O for open. O for open. P for play. P for play. Q for quick step. Q for quick step. R for run. R for run. S for sing. S for sing. T for talk. T for talk. U for use. U for use. V for visit. V for visit. W for walk. W for walk. X for Xerox, copy. X for Xerox, copy. Y for yawn. Y for yawn. Z for zip. Z for zip. Great job, kids! You learned action words from A to Z. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, kids, for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.